In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send a lead magnet using Aweber. The goal here is simple. When someone new subscribes to your list, Aweber will automatically send them a welcome email that includes a link to your lead magnet file. This is a clean and reliable way to deliver downloads without having to send anything manually. Start by going into your Aweber account and navigating to Automations. From there, go into Workflow. This is where you build the sequence of actions that will happen after someone joins your list. Next, click Create a Workflow. When Aweber asks what type of workflow you want, choose Welcome Subscribers. This option is designed specifically for new signups, which is perfect for delivering a lead magnet right away. Once the workflow is created, you will add the email that contains your download link. Drag the Send Message action into the workflow. This tells Aweber to send an email at that point in the automation. Now you will create the actual email. Click Create a Message, then select the Drag and Drop Email Builder. This builder is the easiest option because it lets you write and format your email in a visual layout. Type your message in the email body. Keep it clear and direct, letting the subscriber know what they are receiving and where to access it. When you get to the part where you want the download link to appear, highlight the text you want to turn into the link. For example, you might highlight a phrase like, "Click here to download," but use whatever wording fits your message. With that text highlighted, click the link icon. Paste in your file URL, which should be a direct link to where your lead magnet is hosted, and then click OK. Make sure the URL is correct, because this is what your subscribers will use to access the file. When you are done, click Save and Exit. This will bring you back to your workflow with the message connected to the automation. Finally, activate your campaign by clicking Activate. This is the step that turns everything on, so new subscribers will actually receive the email and the lead magnet link automatically. And that is all there is to it.